The Police Training School of Umran, today the 21st of March 2022, conducted a one-day symposium on women's safety, sponsored by the Bureau of Police Research and Development, New Delhi at the State Convention Centre in Shillong. The inaugural function was attended by Srimati I. Nongrang, Special Director General of Police, Meghalaya, as the chief guest. The objective of the symposium is to consolidate the efforts of all stakeholders to ensure the safety, security and well-being of women and children in the state. Srimati I. Nongrang, speaking on the occasion, informed that there are 16 laws to address various issues pertaining to women and 13 rights which are guaranteed to all women under the protection of the Constitution. Srimati I. Nongrang also said that the state police have been able to crack down on organized violence or insurgency-related violence, but other entices like violence by intimate partners, violence in the workplace, violence in public places. Women's safety is still a cause of concern. Therefore, she hoped that the symposium would go a long way in addressing the safety and security of women in the state.